Users of financial statements, what do they need and why do they need what they need? We shall be looking at the users of the financial statements, which basically are so numerous, but we'll talk about the board, the donors, the regulatory, the watchdog, and the banks, among so many others. We had earlier actually dealt with while we audit the financial statement, and we discussed the independence verification. We discussed the advantage of issuing out letter of control, weaknesses during and before the audit is concluded, compliance to rule and order and regulation, fraud detection and mitigation, financial transparency, and objective look at our risk control and compliance, among so many other things. So without further ado, let's go into our discussion one after the other. My name is Bengala Tunji, welcoming you to G James Associate channel. Number one, the board needs the financial statement and audited financial statement for that matter. Why? To make good judgments. Two, to present to the shareholders who appointed them and rendered their stewardship to them. Also, the donors, the creditors, would like to know what has transpired in the course of the year, and they need the financial statement to communicate that to them, among many other things. Also, the regulatory agencies in our countries will require financial statements. The watchdogs, which also are the regulators, we need that. And last but not the least are the banks. The financial institutions, especially if we are sourcing out funding and we will need the corporation or loan from the financial institution. They are going to require us to present our financial statement, which of course must be audited. If you are yet to subscribe to GTM's Associate channel, we'll be looking at this and many more one after the other. You can share to all platforms and friends, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. From GTM's Associate channel, we are value to life, we are value to your businesses.